All the way from Africa, our helmeted guinea fowl. The colorful bird of South America, ang singing. And now, the bird that you can see from all throughout the world, our R3ppff. We have brought these birds from all the corners of the world, not just to show you their beauty, but for far more important. Even if we may not speak the same language, our message is one and the same. Protect our environment, preserve our life, and together we'll save the world. On behalf of Magaul Bird Park and Chestnut Management, we are proud to present